Got the GTR back finally, and the Supra. Some corn, nothing?
Corn, huh?
What's up guys, we're back at GMS. We're going to be putting our Supra back together for a production kit. We finally designed our exhaust manifold. We were gonna go with building our own exhaust manifold like that to begin with, but we finally decided that we're going to go with a cast. But meanwhile, our first batch is gonna be with the billet collector and this type of manifold. This is actually going to go into production in the following months. But meanwhile, like I said, we'll be running this with our kit. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna put the car completely back together with our turbo kit and get it on the dyno and do some testing for a kit release. We have a sponsor we're going to be sending a kit out to as well, and he will be doing a lot of testing for us on the track. Stay tuned for that.
What's up guys? Today I'm working on our A90 and A91 Toyota Supra big turbo kit. Right now we're revising our manifold. We're gonna switch over to a fully casted design. So we have more strength and really more flow. It gives us a lot more room to design the manifold exactly how we want it, and we're not limited by fabrication and welding and using the resources that are available. We can pretty much design a manifold exactly how we want it. So anyways, this is a 3D print of my current revision. Making some changes right now, but really what we're using is 3D scanning. This is a 3D scan of the Supra's engine bay. It looks a little clustered in here right now, but you can see our manifold underneath and our downpipe running out. I mean, it really gives us a lot of options and flexibility. I can run flow simulations on this manifold and know exactly how it's going to work on the car. It saves us a lot of time in R&D, because we're spending less time in the shop working on revisions that would take weeks and testing, when I can do a lot just on the computer and really get even more data than I could collect on the car. So pretty much what I got going on right now. We also have our little wastegate bracket. The Supra uses an electronic wastegate, so it's just a little drawing of the actuator and our bracket and where it's going to end up on the turbo once everything is said and done. But yeah, cool stuff. So this is a sneak peek at our new manifold that we'll be releasing in the next couple of months, hopefully. We're waiting on some final mock-ups coming back. I'll 3D print one more of these because we're making some changes, but
how long does it take to print those?
A week. This is printed in multiple sections and glued together. That's why I got two colors going on here, but a lot of hours of my little printer put in work.
That's why we're gonna start a podcast. I was born on camera, homie.
There you go.
What's up, guys? This is GMS's YouTube channel. We're back, putting a turbo on this.
Again.
Back at it.
You ever get torque spec for this for me? We're all about fucking torque specs that way.
That's how we search the torque spec.
The Mississippi mudslide. Get that shit.
Mississippi mudslide.
It's for Damien right there.
That's a new hairdo right there.
I'm gonna get
¿Y tú?
No.
¿Así nomás, papá?
A minute and a half away.
Maybe halfway.
A minute and a half. I'm not you, boy. You know what's the best part to it? Does it matter?
No, just tighten it up and I'll move it. Yeah, no, it's more like it's on that over here.
Is that how it feels to be famous or what? Camera all up in your shit the whole time.
I'll be your shit open.
That better be on YouTube, dude.
Hey, one day you're gonna be like, hey, record me, dog, please. Please put me in your vlog, dog.
Don't be sorry. Be damn. You weren't here the first time.
Sorry, bro. My bad.
So that's it?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it. Just look my head.
You have an internal wastegate?
Yeah.
Nice. How's it feel?
You feeling good?
Feeling good?
Dude,
yeah.
Alright guys, we finally got the Supra done and on the road. We're going to be doing a lot more stuff with the Supra. Burnouts, we're going to be going to Las Vegas Motor Speedway to do some races. We're going to be out at car meets, so make sure that you guys like, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy the rest of the Supra content that's coming your way.